Here are a few errors designers encounter with first-time buyers that leave them shaking their heads. 1. Decorating in a style that clashes with the architecture. Try and find a style that suits your vision and check online or on social media for inspiring ideas. 2. Painting a whole house without testing a small area first or not letting in enough light. Maybe start with a powder room or a small bedroom and see how the color looks once it's dry. Regarding letting in light, swap those thick window curtains or drapes for shades or blinds. 3. Buying furniture pieces that don't look good together or making impulse purchases rather than having a proper plan. Check out some home decor magazines to learn some simple rules when it comes to mixing and matching furniture. Planning to make a move in the next 3 to 6 months? Give us a call. We're here to help.